Hello, this is Larry Tentarelli. I'm a full-time technical trader and the editor and publisher of the Blue Chip Daily Trend Report with a brief weekly update on two of our core markets. So we'll dial right in. So stocks gauged on the S&P 500 had their best week since 1974. So the S&P was up 12.1% on the week, closed at 2789, and we can see that was a pretty strong week to the upside. Now, spot gold also had a very strong week, so it closed at 1752.80, and that's the highest level since October of 2012. So we'll make that chart a little bit higher. So 1752, we can see that goes all the way back. That's a 7.5-year high. And then on the S&P, up 12.1%. That's the best week since 1974. So we're along in both, and I just want to touch base on that for a second. So we started buying stocks on March the 18th. We started with XLK, and we branched out into quite a few single name stocks. Now that was part of our trading plan. So there's a blog right here. If you click onto this, why we started buying stocks on March the 18th, and we were in cash, as you know, when the S&P started to break 3,200, we started to go defensive. So there's a blog here that outlines that. But in a nutshell, on stocks, we put together a trading plan on March the 14th in our subscribers weekly trend report. And what the plan was going to be is that we were going to start to build longer term positions in some of our best technical ideas. These are dominant industry leaders. And then if the market started to stabilize and if those positions started to work, then we were going to add more exposure. As of now, all of our open positions are profitable. None of them were stopped out whatsoever. We did take partial profits along the way. We've moved up some stops along the way to manage the risk. And then also we maintain a best ideas list. So we've fully maintained our daily chart of the day best ideas list for members. So what we do every single day is I'll post a daily best idea with the reasoning, with the price, and also with the stop level. And we continue to post those ideas every day through the recent downturn because we've got subscribers with different time frames. Some were allocating capital through the downturn strategically. And as of now, for the past 4 weeks, and this is tracked 24/7 on our website, members have complete access to the tracking sheet. 19 of the 20 are currently higher, and only one of them was stopped out off the list because it hit the maximum drawdown. So this excerpt, this is in the blog that I referenced above, and this is just what our mindset was as we started to build positions back into the market after being 100% cash. And we basically had two options. Option number one was to wait until all the news looked good and then start to put all the money in at one time. Or option two, which is what I went with and what the plan was to start to gradually build longer term positions on a scale-in basis. And then I identified, so this was on March the 14th, and I identified that my plan over the next week or two was to start to scale in. And then gold, we added gold to our best ideas list on March 16th. This is on the premium members only Twitter feed. And basically what I outlined for gold was two things. Number one, that fundamentally, being a student of the market and being traded since I've been trading since 1999. I knew that the last time that QE was launched in 2008, gold went on a very strong run. But more importantly, even when there's a macro theme, the price always has to confirm it. So I outlined where the support levels were on gold. We looked at where the moving averages were. And basically that went on to the list, knowing that if we started to move to the upside, that it could signal a very strong move. And then we had gold scheduled as our chart of the day. So in summary, at this point, we're going to continue to not make any market calls. So I don't make market calls. What I do is I trade the current chart, and I look at price and I focus on risk management. So we do provide 24/7 technical commentary and analysis to the members. We trade what's actually happening. I've got an intermediate to longer term time frame. We have members with different time frames, different objectives. We've got shorter term, we've got very long term investors also, and we just focus on what's happening right now and risk management. Brief disclaimer that says obviously everything in the video is for informational purposes only, and past performance does not guarantee any future results. This is my website, bluechipdaily.com. If you go to the Join Now tab, it will walk you through and show you the daily benefits for members, and then also the weekly benefits. And it just goes down, talks about the premium Twitter feed. We send a real-time email notification of any position changes in the account. And then we've got weekly benefits as well. So we're actively accepting new members, and we hope to see you shortly.